Looking for reliable road protection and crystal clear footage while driving? Best Dash Cam for car front and rear ensures complete coverage with front and back recording, capturing every moment. Stay secure with sharp video, night vision, and smart features designed for modern drivers everywhere. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. IIWEY N5 4 Dashcam. The IIWEY N5 4 Dashcam stands out for drivers who want full 360-degree protection without overcomplicating the setup. With 4-channel recording at 1080p across the front, rear, sides, and interior, it captures a complete view of your surroundings, which is especially useful for rideshare drivers or anyone concerned about blind spots. The wide-angle lenses, 170 degrees for front and rear and 150 degrees for the sides, ensure broad road coverage with minimal distortion. The built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi connects quickly to your phone, allowing smooth video playback and downloads through its dedicated app. One limitation is the lack of GPS and battery, as it relies on a supercapacitor and must remain plugged in using the provided car charger. However, this design improves durability in hot conditions. The optional parking mode, when paired with a hardwire kit, adds another layer of security with time-lapse and impact-triggered recording. Overall, it's a practical, all-around dashcam focused on coverage and reliability rather than premium extras. Number 2. REDTIGER 4K Dashcam. The REDTIGER 4K Dashcam delivers impressive video quality and reliability, making it a strong option for everyday drivers and long-distance travelers alike. Its front camera records in 4K resolution, while the rear captures in 1080p, offering clear footage that can be critical in accident situations. Powered by the Starvis 2 sensor and supported by WDR and HDR technology, it performs exceptionally well in low light conditions, maintaining sharp detail even during night drives. The included memory card and loop recording feature mean you can use it straight out of the box without worrying about storage management. Its G-sensor automatically locks important clips during collisions, adding peace of mind. The supercapacitor design enhances safety and durability, especially in extreme temperatures. With its balance of high-resolution recording, smart features, and dependable performance, this dashcam is a solid investment for drivers who prioritize video clarity and ease of use.
Number 3. Vantrue New N4S 3 Dashcam. The Vantrue New N4S 3 Dashcam is designed for drivers who want premium performance and flexible monitoring options. Featuring a 3-channel system, it records in 2.7K at the front and 1440p for both interior and rear views, delivering sharp and detailed footage across all angles. Its wide-angle lenses effectively eliminate blind spots, making it ideal for rideshare drivers or families who want interior monitoring. What really elevates this model is its advanced night performance, powered by Starvis 2 technology and enhanced HDR processing. Installation is straightforward with its magnetic mount and included accessories, reducing setup time significantly. It also offers multiple parking modes, including motion detection and collision-triggered recording, ensuring round-the-clock protection. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables fast file transfers, and support for up to 1 TB storage makes it suitable for extended use without frequent file management. Built with a supercapacitor, it handles extreme temperatures reliably. Overall, this dashcam is a feature-rich option tailored for users who want high-quality recording and advanced customization. Number 4. Virrow Collision Detection X5 Dashcam. The Virrow Collision Detection X5 Dashcam offers a well-balanced mix of performance and user-friendly features, making it a practical choice for everyday driving. It records in 4K at the front and 2.5K at the rear, ensuring clear and detailed footage that can be crucial for insurance claims or incident reviews. The wide-angle lenses help capture more of the road, reducing blind spots and improving overall situational awareness. One of its standout features is the responsive touchscreen, which simplifies navigation and playback, allowing quick access to recordings without needing a smartphone. The included 64GB memory card is a convenient addition, letting you start recording right away. Its parking mode, when paired with a hardwire kit, provides continuous monitoring through motion detection and time-lapse recording. While it doesn't offer as many advanced connectivity features as some competitors, it excels in simplicity, reliability, and video quality, making it a dependable option for drivers seeking straightforward protection.
Number 5. TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K Dashcam. The TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K Dashcam is built for drivers who want top-tier video quality on both ends of their vehicle. Unlike many models that compromise on the rear camera, this one records in full 4K resolution for both front and rear, delivering exceptionally sharp and detailed footage. The ultra-wide-angle front lens captures a broad view of the road, making it easier to document multi-lane traffic situations. It comes with a pre-installed 128GB memory card and supports up to 512GB, offering plenty of storage for high-resolution recordings. Night driving is well supported with enhanced starlight vision and wide apertures that allow more light into the sensors, producing clearer images in dark conditions. The built-in GPS is another strong advantage, recording speed and location data directly onto videos for added evidence. With dual-band Wi-Fi, you can quickly access and share footage through the mobile app. Its 24-hour parking monitoring adds another layer of security when the vehicle is unattended. Overall, this dashcam combines powerful hardware with practical features, making it a strong choice for high-resolution recording needs. Like the video? Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon